Reggae Boys and Waterhouse goalkeeper Akeem Chambers suffered a huge setback on Saturday morning when his home off Olympic Way was completely destroyed by fire. It's understood that neighbors saw fire coming from the house around 2 a.m. and raised an alarm. The 21-year-old Chambers and his younger brother Tafari, who's also a goalkeeper and who represents Harborview, managed to escape the blaze along with their mother.
I've lost appliances, passport, everything, clothes, my child, passport, everything. I can reach out to the club or through the JSF.
The incident is being investigated by the Jamaica Fire Brigade and the police. Chambers made his national senior team debut in November of last year when the Reggae Boys played Guyana at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. For his club coach Marcel Gale, it's a hard pill to swallow.
Really hard when they're knowing that I work hard and you have lived here for 21 years and waking up and seeing God flash in front of you. You don't want anybody waking up to this behind me right now. It's not a pretty sight, and anybody watching this, or any people watching this, a donation, some kind, some incentive, something. We're not asking for handout, but we're asking for. If you look at the structure, everything gone. You know what I mean? I personally devastated.
That's a massive blow indeed.